Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back again to another video. My name is Javi, and I hope as always that you're having a very beautiful day today, that your day has just been full of love, full of light, full of just nothing but peace and bliss. In this video, we're gonna dive in and strengthen your true self. Now, how we're gonna do this is very simple. I want you to ask yourself, who am I? And before you answer and before you give yourself away to your mind, because that's what's going to happen, your mind is going to automatically say, I am this, I am that, I am male, I am female, I am this age, I am this nationality, this etc., this title, this person, this ego character. And that's where we are going to strengthen your true self, by capturing the mind, before it takes a hold of who you truly are. So I want to really ask you, who are you? And before you give any answers again, just observe, and witness what comes up. Witness what comes up in your mind. Now, are you really those things? Or are those just labels for your mind to try to give context of who you truly are? You know, because most of you are resonating with your heart, that you are not any of those things that your mind has just told you that you are. Are you? So if you listen to your mind, as you might have, and said, I am male, I am this age, I am this nationality, I am short, I am tall, whatever. Those are just concepts and ideas that your mind creates for this body. What I want you to do, if the mind is a reliable source, and let's say, for example, you feel anger. Are you anger? Can you say that in all absolute you are only anger? Or let's say sad. Let's say your mind tells you that you're sad. Are you really sad? Is that who you are? You may experience these things, but those are not who you are. So my point is that the mind is going to keep telling you these labels and these, concepts and ideas of trying to describe who you are. And because we've listened to our mind for pretty much all our lives since we were kids, creating our image, creating our identity, creating our personality and persona, that we've created this fake image of who we are. And who you truly are is the person that witnessed you, your mind, hearing that, telling you that. So, who are you? And eventually, you're going to come to a point of silence. You're not going to have an answer, because you're either going to react to your mind, of listening to your mind to answer who you are, or you're not going to have anything to say to add to who you are, because you're not going to listen to your mind. because the mind's not reliable. It's never been reliable. Yes, we've created some very, very crazy technologies and crazy inventions, and the mind has done so much in the form of our comforts and our social um, development in our, world. But it has also at the same time taken us away farther from who we truly are, and farther away from allowing your true self to be, because now most of the time people are consumed by the external world of who they are. They're only following who they are. So let's strengthen who you truly are. And it's very, very simple. You listen to your mind. You are able to hear your thoughts and feel your emotions. There's a consciousness, an awareness that observes that witnesses that is conscious of the mind telling you who you are. It's like it's talking back to you. Who you are is the one that observes that. So you are not any of your emotions. You are not any of your thoughts. You are not any of your ideas or concepts or labels, pretty much. Who you truly, truly are is just pure consciousness, pure awareness. So let's peel back all the stuff that you think you are. When I first asked, who are you? You witnessed your mind, and now you're able to not so quick identify with that. So let's peel back all of it, because you are none of it. And when you are able to remain your true self here present, you will know who you truly are. And there's actually no way to say who you truly are other than you're just consciousness, that you are just awareness. I am, and nothing else. I am. I exist. You exist, and that's it. As soon as you start to add to the I exist, that's just all mind concepts, all mind ideas that everybody ends up identifying with, and in a way getting lost in it. And further down in life, it becomes so identified with those things that whatever challenges those ideas of who you think you are, that's when the pain happens. That's when the suffering happens. That's when the problems arise. That's when I feel offended happens. That's when he attacked me happens. That's when, oh my God, this person, did this to me. And we start to play these ideas in our head. And obviously, the suffering, the despair, the hate, the all full-on separation occurs, because all of a sudden we're identified, they're identified, everybody's identified, and everybody's just in little groups according to what they identified with. Little, it's like the political parties of governments. I am Republican, I am Democrat, I am green, I am black, I am white, I am yellow, I am brown. It's all just additions to who you truly are, but they're not who you are. And the second you strengthen it by simply remaining silent, simply before in the morning when you wake up, just be conscious. In every moment, just be conscious, just be here, just be present, Just be awareness and walk your life as that. Speak as that. Breathe as that. See as that. And your true self strengthens. Your true nature is here, observing, awake, alive, and your body, your heart has a chance to come out, has a chance to be, so that your true self, who you are, you know who you are. Blessings, everyone. I love you guys. Hope all of you guys continue to strengthen deeper into your roots, into your heart, into your soul. Much love. Namaste. Amitabha. All is love. Peace be with you.